In January of 25, the IRS issued 1.2 million payments because they want to be good government. An oversight in interpreting eligibility requirements and the use of incomplete data, whatever that means, resulted in 300,000 people receiving $448 million in payments. 225,000 of those payments went to non-resident aliens. IRS's analysis failed to exclude them. Another 68,000 people had already received the payment, resulting in duplicate payments. That one is kind of okay, maybe, but all right. So erroneous payments were caused by incomplete data. Failure to include key eligibility requirements. Yes, they didn't scan for, did you file a 1040 NR where you claimed as dependent, right? They didn't scan for those things. All right. So what are they doing? 29,000 of the payments were recovered early through voluntary repayment. I think most of those were my clients. Or undeliverable mail. The IRS is now formally trying to collect this money. Generally, they have 2 years from the date of the erroneous refund to try and collect it. What they'll end up doing probably is doing offset refunds to try and collect the money. Critical limitation, they can't lien or levy this money. Because they were an IRS error, the IRS cannot use standard collection. They can't do a federal tax lien. They can't do a levy authority. So that's interesting. What are they saying? We should have told everybody to keep the money. They can only use refund offset. This is similar to the rules when they refer a case out to a third-party collection agency, right? They don't have levy or lien authority. So at the end of the period, they have a 2-year window. If the debt remains unpaid, the IRS has to close the action. However you feel about the money, you want to make sure your client's rights are not violated here if they try to collect outside of the 2-year period. And you want to watch maybe the filing of other documents, right? When do you want to file other refund returns if a statute is about to expire, if a collection period is about to expire? It's expected they will issue a 1099-C for that debt.